Hello friends, welcome to online learning session. I am Ms. Yasdi Kai, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Agricultural Economics, KK College of Agriculture, Nasik. In our today's session, we are going to see the project, its definition and its types. Let's start with the project. First one is a meaning, that is what is meant by a project. It is a simple, that is it is an investment activity meant for providing the returns for the specific clientele group for specific activity, specific objectives and specific area development. So the definition of project is an activity on which we spend money in expectations of returns and which lends itself to planning, financing and implementation as a unit. Next is a types of agriculture projects. There are 4 types of agricultural project. First one is a water resource development projects. Second one, agricultural credit projects. Next, agricultural development projects, and last one is a agro industries and commercial development projects. Then first is water resource development project we are going to see. These projects include irrigation project, groundwater projects, projects for land reclamation, drainage project, salinity prevention and flood control. These projects are aimed at bringing about overall agricultural development by bringing water to the project area, providing drainage and reclaiming soil salinity. Suitability of a soil to sustain production over time under irrigation must be carefully examined. Here are some examples of water resource development project. There is dam or canals you can develop under this project. These are some images of water resources that you are able to develop in your project area. Second one is a agricultural credit projects. These are called on lending projects. These projects provide credit to the farmer for foreign investment for increasing agricultural production, raising their standards of living and the economy as a whole. These projects need to be defined in terms of investment on agro industries and ancillary industries, such as investment programmers on livestock, machinery, etc. The end use of credit on these investment programmers need to be evaluated to assess the benefit that accrue to the beneficiaries. That means under this project, once the individual has taken the credit from the banks or the institution under this project, you have to evaluate the benefits he or she is receiving by that investment of that credit. All the financial institutions, that is commercial bank, cooperative, regional and rural banks, should act as a credit houses in the implementation of all these industries. First one, under this project you have to go to bank and apply for the loan. Then bank is approving your loan and giving you a money or amount of loan, and by using that amount of loan or credit you are going to develop the whatever industries or whatever development you want to do in the targeted area. These are some images that explain the procedure for agricultural credit project you need to be followed. Agricultural development project. These are the projects aimed at improving farm economy of individual and regional development. Here, diversified cropping system approach as well as farming system approach are followed for bringing about the development of agriculture. Farming system approach, that is, it is commonly required homogeneous types of farmer. It is interdisciplinary approach. It involves a complex combination of inputs managed by farming families but influenced by the environmental, political, economical, institutional and social factors. There are some examples of this agriculture development project. That is, you are able to develop the agricultural irrigation resources or polyhouse, greenhouse, your sprinkler, drip, or you are also go for this land development under this project. The overall development, whatever which factor or which source you want to develop, which comes under the agriculture, you are going to develop or you are able to develop under this project. Then next is a agro industries and commercial development project. Projects of input services to farming, projects concerned with the processing, storage, market development, projects for fisheries development, and project for the development of cooperative farms are cited under this category. See how many projects are come under this category, that is processing, storage, market development, project for fisheries development, and project for development of cooperative farms. All the projects for development of all the projects run for the development of these particular industries comes under the agro industries and commercial development projects. Here you can see some images of in the first image the persons or individuals are packaging the material. Here second image explains the processing, that is wheat is processed in the number of biscuits that you are already aware. And third one is also it is a image of processing, that is it is a Jim Jam biscuit. And thank you for your peaceful listening.